Hello everybody, I'm KV and we finally have the teaser trailer for Spider-Man No Way Home and it is just mind-blowing. And seeing Doc Ock saying Hello Peter was a nostalgia moment for all Spider-Man fans. Though I would have preferred Doc Ock saying to Tom's Peter,
Oh, Rosie, I love this boy.
but still so much exciting. So let's break down the teaser trailer together, and also before that please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and also let me know your predictions and breakdowns and theories of Spider-Man No Way Home trailer in the comment box. Thank you so much. So the first scene of the trailer shows MJ and Peter laying on the roof and discussing the theories newspaper printed after knowing Peter is Spider-Man. And Peter asks MJ if they could stay up there all day, referencing to the scene in Spider-Man 3 of Sam Raimi where MJ and Peter have a similar kind of scene together. And some people might think that the newspaper MJ is holding is the Daily Bugle, but that's not true. It is just a local newspaper of New York. As we know that the Daily Bugle is a digital media kind of news agency in MCU. And cut to the next scene. Peter and MJ are swinging in New York after Peter's identity got revealed, and we see Peter in police custody and he is being arrested for killing Mysterio. And this guy right there could be none other than Matt Murdock, as he has similar kind of dressing in Daredevil series. But that also could be some random police guy. And going further, I'm guessing Peter is going in courtroom with his friends MJ, Ned, and that guy behind MJ is Flash, just having blonde hairs. People are against Peter and protesting for Mysterio's death, and people have accepted that Spider-Man has killed Mysterio. Now in this scene, one person has made Peter a devil, referring to none other than Mephisto. And this scene shows Peter's return to his high school after his identity got exposed. And in this scene, I think Peter and Aunt May were just sitting on their couch, and some cops or Happy came there to see them, because you can see cops' cars lights behind Peter and Aunt May. And also Ned and Aunt May were getting interrogated by police in their police custody. Peter wants to fix all of this chaos, and Peter sees some Halloween decorations of Doctor Strange toys. And now this tells us the story of Spider-Man No Way Home will go from summer to fall to Halloween and to Christmas or winter in MCU. And now Peter goes to Sanctum Sanctorum to meet Doctor Strange. And this is around the time of winters, and we see some joke about Peter calling Doctor Strange Sir. And this scene right here shows the exclusive first look of black and gold suit which got leaked earlier. And I think Peter is in Feast, which is directly related to Miles Morales and Mr. Negative. And Peter will wear his black and gold suit when he will be fighting Electro. And according to me, this scene is how the Spider-Man No Way Home movie will start. And Peter asks Doctor Strange to undo everything Mysterio did in Far From Home. And here comes the most weird scene of the trailer, where Wong tells Doctor Strange to not use this spell, and look right here. Doctor Strange gave this devilish and suspicious look to Wong, and Doctor Strange promises Wong that he won't use that spell, but still he uses it even after warnings given by Wong. Now I have one theory that Doctor Strange is really behaving awkwardly and suspiciously, and I think either Doctor Strange is controlled by anyone, or he is Doctor Strange variant, or he's intentionally have this motive to create this multiverse of madness. And Doctor Strange uses the spell and tells Peter that the entire world is going to forget that Peter is Spider-Man. But Peter wants MJ, Aunt May and Ned to remember that he is Spider-Man, but Doctor Strange answers him that this is not how it works. And due to Peter and Doctor Strange's mistake, the multiverse goes chaos and the timeline has been broken. Until here, I think we only saw the scenes of the first 30 minutes of the movie, and from now on we will be seeing the second and third half scenes of the movie, starting with this amazing shot of buildings getting changed with Spider-Man diving, clearly showing multiverse, and Peter's dive with Doctor Strange chasing him, and this multiverse chaos and insanity in the city. And here comes the glimpse of the first villain with Yellow Lightning, Jamie Foxx's Electro. And in this scene, I think Peter and Doctor Strange are fighting because of some arguments they had in first half of the movie, and Doctor Strange is explaining the multiverse concept to Peter. And here Doctor Strange taking out Peter's souls out of his body or making astral projections, just like Ancient One did to Hulk in Endgame. And now we see cops getting into destroyed home, and we see Happy in his car with cops behind him. And this is the place where villains have been teased. Lizard, Electro and Sandman walking together, and the main villain of Spider-Man No Way Home, William Dafoe's Green Goblin's laugh, and Pumpkin Bomb destroying all the cars of the bridge. In this scene, we see Peter with one actress in the car, and I think that actress could be either mother of MJ or Miles Morales. And now we see Doc Ock's arms coming out and Doc Ock saying hello Peter, and I think this is the final battle of the movie. And I'm really liking how MCU is doing Spider-Man's final battle in daytime, as we were used to see final battles in night in previous movies. And here is how trailer ends. And I just wanna say wow, This has been a wonderful ride. Can't wait for more. Guys, let me know your opinions and theories of Spider-Man No Way Home trailer in comment box. And also, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I am KV signing off for today. Thank you so much.